How to post Instagram story from laptop. Let's get started. Make sure you are already logged into your Instagram account. You will land with this kind of interface. At the top, you'll find different stories, but you won't find the option to add these stories. So what you have to do is right-click anywhere. With that, different options will pop up. Scroll down and click on this option of Inspect, open it. Now over here, you will see the option of Elements. Click on it and then click on this one icon. Now you will be able to see the phone screen. Also, you can click on this option of Dimensions and select any of the phone's screen. Once you select it, now you have to refresh this page. For that, click on this one icon given over here. With that, now you will get this option of your story. Now you can easily upload story from your laptop. Just click on this plus icon, your story. Select any of the picture or video that you want to upload in your story. And then click on this option, add to your story. And with that, your story will be uploaded. So this is how you can easily post Instagram story from laptop or PC. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.